Good Sunday. I didn't buy these because I thought they'd make great steak knives. I'm not a fan of serrated edges. I like straight edge knives. I bought them because they're beautiful and they were new and they cost about $20. I don't know how old they are. I think I read somewhere that they might be around 79. I'm not sure. Hey, if anyone knows when these were made, let me know. I have not been able to find print advertising for these. Beautiful, pack-a-wood, handle, knives. I like that the blades are thin. This edge is fairly dull. On most of the knives, I think one or two, it feels a little sharp, so that's a problem. Let's see how this does. Not a bad color for being such a thick steak cooked in a pan. Guardian service. We love Guardian service. I'll be very surprised if this cuts really well. Let's do it. Hey, that cut pretty well. Let's take a bite. Oh. All right. To be fair, I didn't chew that well. Let's choke. To be fair, I did cut along. Let's cut against the grain. Let's try cutting against the grain. These beautiful Flint Ecko knives. Wow! Well, that cut pretty well. I'm surprised. You know what? That cuts better than I thought it would. Wow. It's sawing the meat. Okay, it is. But it's not bad. It's much better. I'm happy about that. Final bite. We'll see you in a minute. See you in a minute. Have a shot. Aren't they pretty? Come on. They may not be straight edge knives, but they're gorgeous. This is supposed to be walnut. It's probably walnut veneer. I don't know if it's solid walnut. If anyone knows how old these are, please let me know. Why wasn't there a date in the paperwork? Thanks for joining me this Sunday. You know what I'm going to say? What am I going to say? Thanks for watching.